To make beehive cupcakes are pretty simple. All you need is a round, large round piping tip. And I filled this one with buttercream yellow. The color is buttercup. And I'm just going to go around and around and then have it like a little point on the top. So I squeeze down and go round, round, and there's a little point like that. And that's all there is to it. And then all you need to do is, I have my honeycomb here that I will put the link down below how I made this. And this is a white chocolate, and you just stick it on the side. And then you can put a little honeybee in here. And with the drip from the cake, I put a little bit of that on the cupcake too. I think that looks cute. And there's your cupcake.